Hey there, my name's David. On this episode of Unusual Foods, I'll be eating a Calendula flower. So you can see they are behind me right here, down here. So these are very common flower that people eat. You can see they're bright orange color. They're very easy to identify and very commonly consumed. Okay, so I've got one here. We're gonna do a taste test and see what this thing tastes like. They smell really nice. They have like a really nice, almost kind of tropical scent. They smell almost like a flowery, floral, pineapple kind of smell. The petals are very, very, very chewy. The taste is like a, well, it's pretty mild. There's a floral taste to it, and it's kind of got, I don't know, you get a lot of scent when you're eating it. There's a bit of a bitter aftertaste. That might be because this one started to have the petals fall off. I don't know. It's a very chewy texture. It's a nice scent to it, but I don't know, the bitter aftertaste is kind of, the more you eat this, the more it kind of stacks up and it gets more and more in your mouth. So I wouldn't probably eat a lot of these. I would just probably garnish a dish with the petals of one flower. That's kind of my guideline based off of that's what I'm eating here now. So I mean, it's pretty tasty. It's more of the texture and the smell that's good about this one. Mixing in a dish I think would be nice because it would add that smell to the whole dish, especially if it's some sort of tropical kind of you know, and I don't know, whatever it is, a salad that you're going more tropical with, like some pineapple or something like that.
That does it for this episode. Be sure to subscribe, and until next episode, have a great day.